Oh yeah, I hate fucking animal abuse, so I gotta actually show this part.
You like animals? Rough how? Oh, she's mean to animals in this?
No, okay, so listen.
For me, if you're mean to animals or kids, you're a horrible person. If you're beating up someone your own size,
like live octopus and stuff, right?
like a guy getting kicked in the balls, I'll always feel bad for the guy, but it will always be funny. A kid getting pushed down the stairs is horrible.
And it's like a little too disrespectful, a little too. She's being a little too playful.
And a dog getting pushed down the stairs is mean. Kind of funny though, but mean. Like dog getting hurt, mean. Kid getting hurt, mean. Full-grown man getting hurt, funny but mean. But still funny. Hell, I even laugh when I get hurt sometimes. When I see, when you're like, you fall down the stairs, you're like grabbing your leg, but you're like, that was so fucking dumb. Why'd I do that? But when I see a kid fall down and get a little scratch, I'm like, you okay, little man? Oh.
Damn, that is huge. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, that thing is
Oh, that gross. Okay, I don't consider that real animal abuse, but it is gross.
I mean, that's how you're supposed to do it, right?
Yeah, that's not animal abuse. That's just.
Brain is behind the eyeball, so they're still alive technically.
Okay.
So they're still technically alive. Just so you guys.
Well, the bottom
Oh.
half is not anymore because it's not connected to the brain, right?
No, well,
The top half.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, soy sauce part doesn't matter.
No,
Crazy, dude.
she's pouring it on the live part. They
I
have
thought the live part was on the head, which is.
no, this is their head.
What part is she?
Eyeballs are in that part. So the brain is behind their eyeballs, which is where the tentacles are. Like that same.
Oh my god.
Yeah, eating something that's alive is horrible, but then again, do you know how they make lobster?
That thing is.
They slowly boil it to death.
Oh my god.
Oh, she eats live animals. Okay, that's animal abuse, yeah, but that's also really gross.
She's putting salt on.
That brings sushi to a whole new meaning if you're eating it alive.
Well, I mean, they come from a salty water, so. They do. He probably.
But not that much salt though. Squirming.
Now he can probably breathe better. That octopus is that fucking huge. Thing is huge.
And then there's fish in here.
Wait.
Mudfish.
Wait, what is she? Bag of salt? Why?
And then look how they go crazy.
Oh, that's kind of torturous.
Okay, yeah, that's torturous that they're going that nuts. That's pain, obviously.
Big fucking octopus live? How?
I didn't see the video.
She's just torturing it.
Yeah, that's animal abuse.
They're fucking getting
Not as bad as hitting a puppy or something, but because you don't know if they can feel pain. Obviously, the fish can, because that kind of squirming is pain.
What is that?
There's like,
Well, then here's this one.
there's this like random ass video where she's like in the forest.
Is that an octopus?
She finds an octopus in the forest.
No, she put it there.
Obviously.
Yeah, like octopuses don't grow on trees.
Hey, you prove it with evidence. Prove it with evidence.
Is she just eating it?
What the fuck?
Okay, this chick's messed up.